Ashhadu
Asyhadu
Allah
alla
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
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 wa ashhadu
wa asyhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluhu.
wa rasuluhu.
MashaAllah, you're a Muslim?
Ashhadu
Allah
alla
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluhu.
wa rasuluhu.
I bear witness
I bear witness
that
that
there is no God
there is no God
but Allah,
but Allah,
and I bear witness
and I bear witness
that Prophet Muhammad
that Prophet Muhammad,
is the messenger
that messenger
and servant
and servant
of Allah.
of Allah.
MashaAllah, you're a Muslim. And as I mentioned earlier, inshallah, all your sins are forgiven. May Allah grant you Jannah. I pray to Allah that may Allah guide you and give you the wisdom and help you to get your family and friends also to Islam.
Amin.